RTM, by creating broadcasts, we could simply cover, the basics of land development and anything to do with industrial parks. We could talk about each point and so forth. And of course, the importance of site selection, and what infrastructure and everything's there, and master planning, and then asset management, how to do that, how to deal with banks, consulting groups, CPAs, etc. And then, of course, the site services and so forth there. And then we could look at various sites, sending out information where we could put links in the descriptions or on our website that they could download and start preparing their own books, industrial development books, as well as putting in the photos, aerial photos, and everything like that for their websites. Now, a lot of them have already done a lot of that work, so it'll be easy for them. Others that are new will have to do a lot more work. Project management. Also, the project management steps, they correspond with budgets. So we'd have to put some budget templates. And the budget templates going along with project management of basic buildings would be very helpful to estimate and so forth. Then, of course, we would want to do some advanced finance stuff, looking at why people invest in industrial parks and how the process goes, along with other process checklists that I have, of course. And then, let me try to move this over. And then more advanced finance stuff, the steps that go along with that, and various phases of industrial development. And then, of course, the extreme, more complex for the financial side of it. And we could give these courses. Now, they're not going to pick up everything, but they will pick up a lot of stuff that will help them develop industrial parks. Or they can request our assistance to evaluate their progress, or maybe we would showcase them. Occasionally we could do like one a week or something like that to have a discussion. They could show us aerial photos, drones, footage. They could discuss their issues, with their engineers, road builders, infrastructure, wet and dry utilities, and so forth and so on, as well as marketing and sales issues. And all this stuff would be helpful. Look, you're a lawyer and you've dealt with tax stuff. I've dealt with financing real estate projects with simple documents. So I have hundreds of documents. I can show the basic documents needed to help create the financial instruments and structure for industrial park development. It's not a big deal. We could do this course online, send it to people, send them a list of documents, translated, everything, not a problem. So these are things that are basic that I think would be important that we could broadcast, and we could do so much more just from like a YouTube studio than we could running to all these sites, and discussing with individuals and dealing with all the headaches. So thank you, and I hope this helps.